Morning. This is going to be a quick update on the potential for some precipitation across the North Carolina and South Carolina Piedmont area, mainly along I-85 corridor. And you can see the responsible party here is this frontal system that is slowly making its way to the south and east. And it should cross the area by this afternoon or later tonight. But let's get into some of those thunderstorm chances. This particular model is actually a collection of models that are known as CAMs. There are convection allowing models. Typically they do a pretty good job at allowing convection, hence the name convection allowing models. So one of the things that we can kind of forecast is the conditions for lightning. And this is a probability a probabilistic forecast of the potential for lightning. This is ending at 6 p.m. this evening. So if we go back in time, here is 2 p.m. You can see some probability of lightning in the mountains, maybe a little bit some isolated incidences in the foothills and Piedmont. But the area along the I-85 corridor between Greenville, Spartanburg, and Charlotte will see increases in the probability of lightning by 8 p.m. Now, these colors indicate probabilities, right? So the darker the green, the higher the probability. However, we're not getting too much above 40% probability of seeing some lightning with any precipitation that develops over this particular region. Here's the look at the official National Weather Service forecast for the area. More likely to see some lightning. It's generally along I-85 corridor in North Carolina and South Carolina upstate, but places like Asheville and Murphy, into eastern parts of Tennessee towards Knoxville and Chattanooga and northeastern part of Georgia could also see some lightning with these with the precipitation that is likely to develop. We know that there's going to be rain. The question is there going to be lightning? So here's one of the tools that we've seen before, but this is, again, what the Storm Prediction Center uses. This is called the High Resolution Ensemble Forecasting System. And this particular product is the 4-hour probability of thunder ending at 8 p.m. this evening. And as you can see, even though there's a low chance, there is a non-zero probability of seeing some thunder or hearing some thunder, seeing some lightning across parts of the upstate of South Carolina into the southern foothills and eking its way into the southern Piedmont of North Carolina. So if you're in those regions and you're trying to enjoy yourself this evening, keep in mind that there is a possibility, a low chance, of seeing some lightning. However, the probability of precipitation is a bit higher. Probabilities of seeing some precipitation, regardless whether it's rain or thunderstorms, ending at 8 p.m. tonight is about 40 to 50% chance across the Charlotte, getting into the 30% chances across parts of Hickory and into Greenville, Spartanburg. Overnight, those probabilities shift to the east and south, getting into about the 20% range, 20 to 30% range across the coastal areas of North Carolina. Now, this is ending at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning, and those precipitation chances shift east of the Charlotte metro area and towards the coast during the day on Sunday as that front moves through. And by Monday morning, the probabilities have mainly been off the coast of North Carolina. For this update, just remember to be careful out there, and I will see you in the next video.